Ready? Let's listen to Gabe because I'm not going to be able to do it. I'm really not. I'm not going to be able to hold myself. I'm not even going to get up there, let alone hold myself.
You're not going to get there because you're not having any confidence. You need to go with the G.
What was it?
G.
The something G.
G.
The... The...
I don't know, but you go with the G.
Something... I was the G.
The G posters are his bed.
Oh, ow! Give me your pillow.
You're not having my pillow.
Give me your pillow.
Sarah, just go. It cannot hurt that badly.
I got too much weight on my head, on the top of my head.
Oh my God. Well, your feet will hit that thing now, I can tell you. You ain't gonna get up there, just go ahead and go. Listen to your song. Like traction.
Show me go that way.
No, shoulder. Kick hard. Are you trying?
I'm scared. I just scared halfway through. Betsy, come help me.
You got it. Go, go, go.
Ooh. I can't do it.
Yes, you can. You're not with the G.
I can do this. Here, hold myself. What's this? Oh, I don't need a... I'm for that.
To earth one out.
Ready?
But y'all do work, son.
Do work, son.
Dude, check your ball.
Oh. I'm not as feeble as... Wait, I'm more feeble than I used to be. Oh, God. No, okay, ready? I swear I'm doing it real good. Ready?
You play this song, walk it out. Sarah, I'm not taking you to the hospital.
You stop.
Your face is like red. Oh, God.
Here, we'll do it like this. Ready?
Oh, man.
How's that alright? We don't bust up in here. No, damn. Stop laughing. You're messing up my cheek.
Gee, idiot.
I'm doing. No, it's my cheek. With a CH.
Can you not do it?
I can do it. I did it yesterday. I was trying to do yoga. Well, you weren't here.
Okay.
I think you gotta stop laughing.
I can't help it. I hear a clap and then you're... I don't know.
I can't
Okay,
do the
good.
splits.
No, I don't.
I'm not very flexible. Oh. Let's try the other leg, ready?
You're right, the left leg's like a joke to me.
Oh.
Stop you. I'm gonna split your pants and do it.
I'm gonna split my groin. Oh.
Is that thing still recording?
Oh.
Well, we
Do
don't,
you see that?
we don't have brooms. You're just in the floor.
What's another thing?
You're gonna
Yoga.
go back then. Go ahead. I'm not gonna laugh.
No, you're crying because you're laughing
No,
so hard.
I'm not gonna laugh with
What's another yoga thing? The downward dog. We'll do it like this, ready? The downward dog. Oh. Oh. Does this look cool? Does it look